Tears, pain, you never left my side. You remained the same, and I'm so glad that you love me.
Y'all already know it's Tayshawn Miller. Let's jump right into this tutorial, guys. I'm so happy to be back. So I'm starting off with some beauty supply store hair in a color 27 by the company Live. The kiss color I am using is African Violet and Purple Passion. I will be using a pack and a half, reason being I found out the more color you put, the more it absorbs into the hair. Plus I want my purple to be like a dark purple. So yeah. Once I go ahead and mix up that color, I'm just going to use my little paper towel to see if it's the color, which it is. So now I'm going to go ahead and just dip in my hair. And as you can see instantly, guys, it is turning. Like, it hasn't even been 30 seconds and it's turning. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the second bundle. This wig was made with just one frontal, which is a 16-inch, and I got that in the color 613, and then two bundles of 18-inch 27. I purposely got those different colors because I want it to be different shades of purple. I didn't want anything to be the absolute same. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit more purple. I'm sorry, not the purple, but the sapphire for my frontal, because I want that frontal to have like a navy blue hue to the bottom of it and like a deep purple. I did previously, before I started doing any of this process, I used a violet by the color Kiss as well for just that front patch. You'll see later in the video where it's super pastel looking. That is violet purple. So you want to go ahead and rinse that color out really good, and as you can see, the frontal is still transparent. There's absolutely no dye on here, and I am just so grateful and so glad, because I would have had a whole fit had my frontal got messed up. I would have been so sad. You can at this point use a little bit of shampoo just to make sure, but I don't like doing it because sometimes it makes too much dye come back out. And I'm not trying to lose this beautiful purple that I have achieved, guys. Alright, so here we are now. I am sewing down my frontal. This is very repetitive. I already have so many videos of me doing a frontal, so I figured I didn't really need to go in depth with that. But I'm just going ahead and, you know, going across. I'm using a regular dome cap, spandex dome cap, and that's about it. So now that I am finished sewing down the frontal, I'm going to go ahead and start with my bundles. And as you can see, like this bundle here is pure, like almost like a navy blue. It really took in that blue sapphire, whereas the part that you see hanging on the side is more of a purple. So that's exactly what I wanted to achieve. Like I wanted it to be different variations of purple, navy blue, and then that pastel purple. Okay, so I am finishing up the sewing portion, and I'm going to go ahead and hop onto my hairline. As far as hairlines go, I no longer do all that major plucking. Number one, I'm tired of the time it takes. Number two, I'm tired of ending up with bald frontals or patches missing, because eventually the hair is going to come out anyways. However, I do not want to have a Herman the Munster hairline, so I am going to go in and softly tweak my hairline so that it looks natural. Plus, I'm doing crimps anyhow, so it doesn't really need to be, you know, customized like that, because it's going to look a lot better to be full with the crimps versus having a thin, you know, hairline with the crimps. So it doesn't matter with me either way it goes. So now I am crimping my hair. This crimping iron I purchased from CVS. It was $26.99. I love it, guys. Like, I love this crimp iron better than I do the one that goes on the stove. It has two settings, which is a high and a low. It's guaranteed to be ready to use in less than 45 seconds, honey. And I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys how I crimp the rest of this. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I am glad to be back. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Make your requests known in the comment section. And I will see you all at my next video. I love you all. Bye. And we'll fly. Take me